Hi, I'm Dick, and tonight Carmen and I are going to try a flank steak in our microwave pressure cooker. So let's get started. I've got a 3-pound flank steak that we're going to put in the pressure cooker. To that, we're going to add salt, pepper, thyme, and bay leaf. Spread that around a little. Then we're going to add some veggies. We got 1 carrot, and we've got 1 chopped onion, and finally we've got a 1/2 cup of water. Alrighty, we'll cover it up. Put it in the microwave. We have it set for 10 minutes and we're going to press start. Okay, we took a look after 10 minutes and it wasn't done yet. So we added 10 more minutes to it. So let's take a look at it now and see how it looks. Oh, that looks much better. Oh, and that is so tender.
Oh, yum.
All right. Well, that looks good to me.
Well, let's try it and see.